They gon' love me for my ambition.
What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ambition Rates. I always be girl Ambition Rates. I be bobbing over here. So anyways, today upon request I'm going to be showing you how I get my sleek buns on my low density, low porosity, fine strands hair, and without gel. You don't need gel, sis, all the time. You could still be slaying and salvaging over here without gel. So I am starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Well, I washed my hair yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. My hair is very, very moisturized. If you want my moisturizing routine, which I don't think I've mentioned on my channel per se, then let me know. I know on the Nika K True Edge video, when I asked you guys to tell me what videos you guys want me to do, someone said like my everyday, like non-YouTuber routine. And that makes sense. That's fair. I can definitely do that and show y'all what I actually use on a daily basis to moisturize my hair and stuff. I typically like to do my sleek buns on wash day, but when it's cold, like now, I like to do it the next day just so I could really moisturize my hair and my hair is not like soaking wet, even though the middle of my hair is still wet, because wet, I am no porosity. But on wet hair is when it's the most sleek, in my opinion. Also, doing it the next day, in my opinion, is less flaking, so less interruption with my leave-in conditioner and my moisturizer and the gel. I'm going to grab my spray bottle and just make my part more defined. I recommend you splitting your hair in 2 to 3 sections. I do have a video on this, on how to make your low ponytails look thicker. I'll put that here. That was a very informative video. But this just allows me to really make sure all of my hair is back. So usually I would part this into 3. But today I don't feel like it. But like I said, you can, and I have a video on that. What I'm going to be using for my sleek bun that is not gel is my Afro Sheen Slick Back Cream Styler. Never thought this would work, but it does. And this stuff, it says smooths and holds, but it also is very, like, it's non-greasy. It meshes very well with the gel. Like, if you do want to put a gel on top, you can. And it moisturizes my hair. So all of that is a win in my opinion. So I'm just going to wet my hair. This stuff does work a lot better when your hair's wet. So I'm just going to take about that. Okay, now you're going to grab your scrunchie. I like to use goodie bands that have no, you know the drill at this point. No, what's that thing called? Clamp or something. Alright, now I'm just going to put that into its own ponytail. Again, I usually would have 2 of these back here, but it's not as necessary. So don't make it too tight because you're going to be doing another one here. If you find that this is also too many sections, you can split it. So I actually might just do that. The key to a slick back style is sections. I'm not going to put a scrunchie in it. I don't want too many scrunchies, but you can if your hair is thicker. And then I'm going to do this last part. And while I do the other side, I'm just going to take my Satin's, oh my god, I can't talk this morning. My Satin Scrunchie, I think I got it from Tracy Ellis Ross. Why was that so official just now? I think I got it from Pattern Beauty. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I realized I ended up losing some footage, but you know, that's just what YouTubers go through sometimes. but I'm applying water, lukewarm water, and the Slick Back Cream Styler to my hair, and I'm only using a boar bristle brush. I realized I didn't mention that. I know some people use like their denim brush or comb. I don't do any of that unnecessary stuff. I just use my hands and my brush. And then I'm going to use an edge control for my edges because that footage got lost. I guess my camera is tired of me doing edges on the camera. Who knows? But yes, and I formed the bun a regular way. That footage also got lost. There's nothing special of how I formed my bun. I just wrapped my hair around itself using a satin what am I saying? A satin scrunchie, and that was pretty much it. The goal and point of the video is that I do slick my hair back with only this Slick Cream Styler. No gel required, and I do my hair in sections. So I think the edges and how I do my actual bun doesn't matter. So you get the point. So I let it sit for like 15 minutes. Let's see what it look like. Ooh. Oh my god. You see that shine? Oh my goodness. I love this edge control. Again, here's a little sneak peek. Okay, that's what the edge control I use. So, this is what the results are looking like. Nice and sleek. A little slow-mo there. Yes. Love it. Super easy, super simple. And yes, if you enjoyed it, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any other content ideas, video ideas you want me to do, you know what to do. Leave them down in the comments below because I check my comments. And yes, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.